Jai Hind friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and safe. So as you know, I am sharing mechanical engineering knowledge, automobiles update and quality management system knowledge through this channel. Okay, if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, and already subscribed, so share your friend also, because this channel will be very helpful for you during implementation of quality management system, also during interviews time. Okay, so if you still not watch these videos like quality management series, automobiles updates and manufacturing processes, and how to search the job quality in UAE, so please go in description box. I have put it all playlist for you. Okay, please learn and grow. Okay, today's topic is very important for you if you are searching for a job in quality assurance, quality controls. So you should know about it, what is difference between quality assurance and quality control. Okay, so don't skip this video and watch till end. Okay, so today we are going to we are going to explain what is major difference between quality assurance and quality control. We generally we say QA and QC. Okay, so we should know about it before going to interview. Okay, so and for more detail we need to go on screen. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's go on screen. Friends, we came on screen, and now we are going to learn about what is difference between QA and QC. I have listed here with technical as well as documentation difference of quality assurance and quality control. Okay, so now start the topic. So first is here I have mentioned it is procedure that focus on providing assurance that quality request will be achieved. Okay, where it is the quality control is it's a procedure that focus on fulfilling the quality requested. Okay, this is the differences. And next is QA aims to prevent the defect. Okay, QA quality assurance aim to prevent the defect, while QC aim to identify and fix the defect. Okay, QA aim to prevent means before the problems, to try to eliminate, try to control the problems, while QC is find out the defect and control and fix it. Okay, next it is a method to manage the quality verification. Okay, while QC it is a method to verify and the quality validation. Okay, verification it's under quality assurance, while validation it's come under quality control. Okay, next it does not involve executing the program, while QC it always involve executing a program. Okay, it's a preventive techniques and it is a corrective techniques. Okay, and it's a proactive measure, while QC is a reactive measures. Okay, quality assurance is proactive measures, while QC is reactive measures. Okay, quality assurance it create deliverables, while QC is verify that deliverables. Okay, it's create and it's verify. Okay, next, in order to meet the customer requirement, QA define standard and methodologies, while QC confirm that the standards are followed while working on the product. Okay, QA are creating and implementing the work instructions as well as internal testing and inspection and testing plan, and while the QC is following the standards made by quality assurance. Its major difference you can understand. Okay, during production, during mass production, QC will follow and monitor in regular production. Next, it is performed before quality control. It's performed only after QA activity is done. Okay, it's clear. After QA activity, its performance start now. Next, QA ensure that everything is executed in the right way, and that is why it fall under verification activity, while QC ensure that whatever we have done is as per the requirement, and that is why it falls under validation activity. Okay, verification and validation activity. Next, it's required the involvement of the whole team, while QC required involvement of the testing team. Okay, you can see here major differences. It's required whole team and it's required only testing team. Okay, next, the statically technique applied on QA is known as SPC or statically process control, while QC, the statically technique applied to QC is known as SQC, statically quality control. Okay, this SQC we can say, and this is SPC already you can see here. So quality assurance doing statically process control, while quality control doing statically quality control. Next, major some I have listed out as per process differences like QA process and QC process. Okay, so you can see here QA is process oriented and focusing on preventing quality issues. QC is product oriented and focus on identify quality issues in manufactured product. Another way to understand the destinations is actions versus results. QA involve the actions which create the product, while QC is focused on resulting products. Several examples of each type of activity detailed below. This is QA processes like documentation, audit, supplier management, personal training, change control, investigation procedures, while QC is doing batch inspection, product sampling, validation testing and laboratory testing. This is the major differences come under the QA and QC. So now you never confuse about it. I hope this is the major differences of QA and QC. Okay, this is QC and this is QA. Okay, so please read again and again and prepare for your interview and learn and grow continuously. Okay, next key differences I have listed out here, like quality assurance aim to avoid the defect, whereas quality control is identify and fix the defects. Quality assurance provide that quality requested will be achieved, where quality control procedure that focus fulfilling the quality requested. Quality assurance is done software development life cycle, where quality control done software testing life cycle. Okay, quality assurance is proactive measure, where quality control is reactive measures. Already we have seen in previous slide. Okay, quality assurance requires the involvement of the team member, while quality control need only testing team. Quality assurance is performed before quality control. This is the major, you can note down this one. Quality assurance is performed before quality control activity, quality control processes. After quality assurance activity, then quality control come in loop, and quality control are doing continuously in mass production. Okay, the role of QMS in quality assurance and quality control, neither QA nor QC are optional. Similarly, it's impossible to say whether QA QC is more valuable. QA involves creating standards, processes to create a safe, effective process. QC activity validate the product. Okay, life science organizations should close the loop on quality management processes by using QC to inform QA. When non-conformances are discovered, it's important to launch an investigation to determine where the breakdown correction in QA processes and create a stronger standard. Okay, so these are major differences I have listed out here. If you still confused, so please watch again and again this video. I hope you can confident on your this topic, what is difference between QA and QC, and you can better explain during interview. Okay, So I hope this content will help you. So friends, if you like this session, please like and subscribe and share with your friends also. Okay, your one like is very important for me. Okay, and already subscribe, so please share with friends also. So please learn and grow continually. Thank you very much for the watching this video.